This is the third box cutter we've bought. Not because we need 3, but because someone keeps losing them in our shed. This is the hidden cost of disorganization. It's not just money, but it's time, stress, and feeling like your home is fighting you. And today we're cleaning out the mess. One buried tool, one lost box cutter, one ridiculous decision at a time. Now, before anyone thinks that I'm just here to shame Dean, this is not just his mess.
That's debatable, Jenny.
Well, but it's true. This is an everyone problem. We all have that space where stuff goes to disappear. For some people like me, it's the junk drawer in my kitchen. For others, it's the garage, the basement, that catch-all closet, or in Dean's case, our shed. Life gets busy and decisions pile up and we say, I'll just put this here for now. And for now becomes forever. And that's how we end up rebuying things we already own. It's not laziness. It's not decision fatigue. It's just life. I mean, you're not broken. You just need a system that actually works for how you live. So today we're doing what we can do. We are going to pull everything out of this shed. Yes, everything. And we're going to sort it into 4 basic piles. 1 is going to be stuff that we're going to keep and use that will go back into the shed. 2 is for things we can donate or sell. 3 is for the recycle or toss. There's a lot of garbage in there. And 4 is store somewhere else, because snow tires and marshmallow sticks should not be roommates. That just doesn't work in any scenario.
I have to be honest, Jenny, I'm emotionally prepared for none of this.
That's perfect. So we're going to start. We found 6 toolboxes and a giant bucket full of loose tools that I swear must have just multiplied in the years it's been in there. I don't even know what's in most of them, or when they arrived, or why we need a 6th one, but they're all full. Not organized, not labeled, just full.
One of them might be all screwdrivers, possibly.
Possibly. We also have 2 work surfaces, neither of which can actually be used because they're covered in everything. Scrap wood, old batteries, a single winter glove. Flat surfaces are apparently just invitations for clutter in this shed. And then we've got the why is this even here collection. Old for sale signs, marshmallow roasting sticks, hockey sticks, a tarp that may or may not be hiding tools, or a raccoon. I mean, we haven't really confirmed yet.
We do still need the generator, the mower, the gas cans, and those winter tires.
Yeah, I know we do, but some things belong here. But the chaos, that is optional. It does not necessarily belong in our shed. All right, full disclosure. We didn't finish the project. I mean, it's because you can't organize your chaos until you know what you're organizing. So, yes, everything is technically back in the shed right now, but now it's intentional. We've sorted, we've purged, we've grouped things and taken stock of what we actually have. And that's the step most people skip. You can't buy the right bins if you don't know what needs a bin.
And hey, we found them. We found the box cutters.
Thank you, Jenny. You've been a great help.
Thanks, Dean. And now we are the proud owners of 3 box cutters. So if anyone needs one, we are more than happy to share. Next step, we're going to move a few hooks around in here. We're going to pick up a shelving system and a couple of bins and finally build a system that actually works for the way Dean uses the space and not just for clutter. Right. But now at least the mystery is gone. The chaos has been exposed. Dean, your bad habits have been tamed, and that feels way better than pretending we had it under control. So if you're in the thick of your own messy space, just remember, decluttering is the first step. The real transformation comes after. And if you want to understand why it gets the way it does in the first place and why it's so hard to stay organized, watch this next. It's all about the psychology of clutter, and it might change how you actually see your home. I'll see you over there.
Cut.